how are you? Welcome back my channel. In this video I present to you how to decorate a small garden ideas. So let's start. Use interesting plant with colorful leaves before laying in flowering plants. Make every square inch count. Focus on high value trees, shrubs, herbs, multiple seasons of interest with attractive leaves, seasonal flower, unique texture, colorful bark, and great fall color. Gardening is an excellent way to bring nature to your doorstep and enhance your living space. Whether you have a garden or a cozy balcony, these are countless gardening ideas for your home to create a